take that woman, cause you know she'll treat me easy. It seemed like you were standing here.
That way.
No, you've been planted. Can't see very well now, Finland.
Careful first, you can't not me.
Can't know anymore.
You first.
Yeah, well, she will do.
That's what I said it.
Go on, that way, go on, that way.
That way, come on, that way. Definitely that way.
Well.
You got a problem with me, love? No biting.
Well, go on. Gonna give it a kiss, Paddy.
I never kiss a married woman with her husband looking.
I'm not her fucking husband.
It's an auntie.
That's my auntie.
Oh, give her over.
That is not my wife, I promise you, Paddy. Go on, give me a kiss.
I'll give you a miss, you're alright. I'm not allowed to interfere with the customers.
Right, now you can give it a kiss. Miffy, give me a kiss. Hey, nice one, Paddy.